Hi, I'm Charlie Hides from Charlie Hides TV on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my pink princess rockstar. The first thing I do is glue my eyebrows down with a little bit of spirit gum to get the eyebrows to lay flat. The next thing I do is prime the canvas with foundation over the entire face. I use a slightly darker contour on either side of my nose to make it look slimmer. I use a thin line of white highlighter down the center of my nose to make it look thinner and straighter. I'm first starting by using a fine white eyeliner. Then I remove some of that white lip liner with my fingertip. Today I'm using a soft brown pencil. It's a really sharp pencil to create a very soft lip line. I use the blackest black eyeliner I can find. I do a very thick and heavy line under my eyes, and I come down to a nice narrow point pointing towards my nose. Big, thick eyelashes are the secret to this look because I want my eyes to pop when I'm playing Madison Square Garden. This is my favorite step. The second I put the wig on, I'm all powerful, no one can stop me. I think I need just a little bit of pink eyeshadow underneath my eyeliner, just to make the eyeliner pop. And now the look is finished, and I'm ready to take on the world.